Scientists have discovered that rodents use mysteriously similar excretory systems when cleaning their eyes and brains themselves. Moreover, this situation may also apply to us. This type of maintenance is essential for washing and cleaning waste cells and liquids. We also know that brains use a small network of channels called the glenfatic system for this process. This system is similar to the lymphatic system that removes waste from the rest of the body. New tests on mice and rats, it shows that the structures behind the eyes of these creatures, such as the optic nerve and retina, behave like the glenfatic system. Since there are no standard lymphatic channels, they redirect waste products elsewhere through a network that is very similar to what the brain uses. The internal structures of the eye, which are very similar to the brain inside the skull dome, rest in a limited space and require tight control of fluid balance, the researchers write in the article. Our analysis will be able to produce various results in what we know about eye health and diseases. It provides evidence of the presence of a highly polarized cleaning system of the eye. Quote, "One of the most important activities in the brain's waste disposal system is the evacuation of toxic amyloid beta proteins associated with the development of Alzheimer's disease. Researchers who wanted to see exactly how the eye disposed of similar wastes injected radiant amyloid beta proteins into the eyes of laboratory mice. The researchers who followed the proteins afterwards saw that these proteins go in and out of the special channels in the optic nerve responsible for transmitting visual data back to the brain. A few hours after injection, traces of labeled proteins were found in a very remote location. Proteins have been reviewed as part of the overall waste disposal process in the body and moved to the lymph nodes in the animal's neck. Again, this overlaps with the way the brain connects with the rest of the body. When the brain's glenfatic system is activated at night, sleep is so important. The favorite type of this cleaning system was found to be activated when the iris acted in response to light change. It is worth noting that this new research is based on mice and rats rather than humans. But these animals have similar eye structures to us, albeit on a simpler level. Moreover, the discovery of the glenfatic system in the human brain was made possible by experiments on rats. Thus, the probability of the situation not being anything more specific to rodents only increases again. In addition to highlighting some interesting similarities between the findings, the eyes and the way the brain copes with waste, it can also help us understand more about eye diseases such as blackwater. Researchers suggest that one of the reasons behind this disease may be the damage to the eye's waste removal system. Because of this, it is possible for excess fluid to accumulate. By taking a closer look at this new network, more precise information can be obtained. Maybe even more effective treatments can be opened. Peter Waston, a doctor at the Sint Amanda's Psychiatry Center in Belgium, who was not involved in the study, tells Abby Olena from The Scientist, "For now, this is just the starting point." Quote, "The research was published in the Science Translational Medicine Bulletin. Author, David Neild, Science Alert.